What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this week is a little bit of an update of what happened to my vortex generator. While I was driving on the freeway, it decided to yeet itself off the roof, and this is what it looks like now. As you guys can see, it's most likely the tape's fault. At this point, it's not even sticky anymore, and look at that. So what I think happened is that the tape itself was not very good quality. I'm probably going to have to contact MAP through eBay because that's where I bought it off of, and hopefully they can help me out some way. Maybe give me a new vortex generator, or if not, give me a discount for another one. Hopefully that's the case, but as of now, it's pretty saddening because I installed this maybe a couple weeks ago and that's money lost, so that kind of sucks. If you guys ever do plan on putting a vortex generator on, buy your own tape and don't use the tape that's provided inside with the vortex generator because it will fly off like mine did. So after a little bit of scratching it with my fingernail, I got most of the tape off. During the price breakdown, I did tell you guys that I bought injectors and fuel pump, so I'll show you guys that right now. Alright, so here's the fuel pump, which is from TI Automotive, the injectors by Injector Dynamics, and I also have Flex Fuel Kit by WTF. So I'll show you guys what they look like. This is the fuel pump. So the fuel pump, it comes with tubing and plug, plus the fuel pump itself. These are ID 1050 injectors, and they come with the pigtails, which are these things. And here are the injectors themselves. So these aren't even opened yet. Alright, so this one comes with the full kit. I have no idea how to install all these, so I probably can't explain it too well right now. So I've had all three of those for a very long time now, maybe since 2017, and I haven't installed them because I'm afraid to take the final step. Once I do install all three of those, I am going to have to go with E85. With that comes a tune and another turbo. So if that's the case, I'm going to go stock frame. Hopefully that'll make about 500 horsepower before I start building the engine. But before I start any of that, I want a car that's reliable, and that's why I'm waiting on the Bronco. So this week's video was very short, and I'm thinking whether or not I should make a video on installing the injectors and the flex fuel system plus the fuel pump. So let me know if you guys are interested in that, and I'll try to research on how to do it if you guys do want me to do that. In the coming videos, I'll probably be working on the Mustang a little bit more often because the Mustang has not gotten any love for a very long time. What I'm going to start on the Mustang is I'm going to grind down the whole floor pan and then try to remove the rust and the weird little covered areas that are beginning to form rust. And that way I'll be able to give it a paint and hopefully protect the metal from any rust. So don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Later!